The Port of Baltimore exported a record 24 million tons of cargo in 2011. In order to sustain that growth, the port has to continue improvements to the Baltimore harbor, like dredging, a process needed by many eastern seaboard ports and in the Great Lakes region.
We found out that our ports were being underutilized. The ports were filling up with sludge, and the ports were basically have never been modernized over the years.
General Vice President Lynn Tucker toured the Eastern Territory personally and saw a lock system in disrepair. He says the U.S. House of Representatives' passage of the Realize America's Maritime Promise, or RAMP Act, is key to making sure the Harbor Maintenance Trust Fund is used properly.
What we're attempting to do is get through Congress a bill that basically says the money that they take in will be used for the purpose that it was intended for.
Tucker feels confident the bill will pass in the Senate, something the Seaway Taskforce has been pushing for in preparation for the expansion of the Panama Canal.
And it's going to allow these mega carriers to come through the Panama Canal. This is going to happen in July of 2014. These ships that are coming in can carry 20,000 containers. They'll need a port that at least to be 51 feet deep in order to get them into them.
The task force also proposes short sea shipping, when larger ships offload to smaller ones to be able to get into smaller ports.
This is no small business. This is like a $500 billion business. The initial investment would be close to $1 billion. It's a lot of money, and it can mean up to 1,000 ships being built in the U.S. in order to handle this short sea shipping. That means thousands and thousands of jobs.
In the meantime, the Port of Baltimore continues its growth with its new 50-foot container berth. The port expects to be ready for the new megaships by late summer, early fall. For the Machinist News Network, I'm Tanya Hutchins.